Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by targeting real opportunity. Perform focused keyword research to identify seed and long-tail queries with buyer or informational intent. Once done, secure technical fundamentals. Enable SSL, ensure mobile responsiveness, submit XML sitemap, and fix 3xx/4xx errors so crawlers don't waste time. Next, set your CMS structure. Clean URLs, logical categories, breadcrumb schema, and canonical tags. These steps let search engines index your pages correctly and make your content discoverable from the first crawl. Now focus on execution. Create topic clusters with a pillar page and 4 to 8 supporting posts, then interlink them logically so authority flows where you want it. Make each page intentional. Write optimized titles, meta descriptions, clear H1/H2 hierarchy, include semantic keywords and descriptive alt text for images. Simultaneously improve performance by compressing images, lazy loading media, reducing render blocking JavaScript, and leveraging a CDN. Doing these things together increases relevancy signals and improves user engagement metrics. After publishing, submit your updated sitemap and monitor Google Search Console plus analytics to track impressions, clicks, index status, and CTR. Build quality backlinks through targeted outreach, guest posts, and content partnerships to raise authority. Make sure anchor text diversity stays natural. If things go wrong, diagnose indexing gaps, low CTR, or slow pages with the same tools, then prioritize fixes. Update meta, improve content relevance, and fix speed bottlenecks. Consistent measurement and iterative fixes are how SEO turns into reliable traffic growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.